Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd create this updated tutorial to show you the best The Forge Roblox script. This is working on iOS, Android and desktop in 2026. This is by far the best script for The Forge. This uses no key, so this is a keyless script, and it's going to supply you with tons of free race rerolls. It's going to give you auto farm, kill aura. It's basically going to allow you to just completely dominate the game, and it gives you all of the admin commands as well. Before I show you guys how to go ahead and get this The Forge Roblox script, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I do plan on making many more much like this one. So let's get into it, guys. So as you can see, I'm using an iPhone for this tutorial, but like I said, this does work on all platforms. I do recommend you do this on your mobile phone. It just makes it a lot easier. And open up the internet browser and head on over to this website, www.speedyplugin.com. So speedyplugin.com. Now, Speedy Plugin is a brand new sort of modded app store that I discovered, and they have some scripts for different Roblox games. They have different game mods as well. So you just need to navigate your way to The Forge Roblox. So you can just use the search bar if you struggle to find it, and just type that in there, The Forge, and it should pop up, guys. So this is the script. And this is going to get you the script for unlimited race rerolls, money, all weapons, invincibility, auto farm, tons of different commands, guys. This is highly rated and very popular as well. So this entire process takes just a few minutes. And like I said, guys, this is working on iOS, Android and desktop. So you just basically will play your Roblox The Forge game as per normal. And once you've completed this step, you're going to have the script basically available for you. So to install your script, you need to complete 2 of the free offers below, and this basically confirms you are a real person, and this allows us to get the script for free. These basically sponsor Speedy Plugin. That's how they can supply us these awesome scripts. So you just need to follow the instructions and complete 2 of the tasks on this page. They're completely free. It will take you about 5 minutes. But once you do that, your The Forge Roblox script will be installed and you can go ahead and use it. So you basically will play The Forge as per normal, and you will have all of the commands available to you. So super easy, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Make sure you like and subscribe for more, guys, and I hope you enjoy this The Forge Roblox script. Head on over to Speedy Plugin. I'll see you in the next tutorial.